Alright guys, now we're down here by the rims, stuff like that. We're going to use the Gone cleaner and degreaser. Again, just spray the stuff on and just wipe your wheels clean. Y'all know if you have these kinds of wheels, it takes forever to clean. You're looking for any advantage you can find to clean these wheels quick. This stuff works great for doing this kind of stuff. You can clean, you can see it just wiping this stuff off as fast as I can go. Is everything nice and clean? Look, you got your brake caliper there, looking kind of cruddy. You can use this stuff on that too. So this is great stuff here to detail your car up here when you're at the car shows. Be sure to give that little edge over the guy who didn't bother doing his calipers. You know, little details like that's what sets winners apart. Okay guys, now we're going to show you this dressing. This stuff's real good stuff, and unlike some of the other stuff that are out there, you know, you put this on here, tire looks great for a while, drive your car, next thing you look down the side of your car, you just see all the goo that's spun off your tires on the side of your car. That's frustrating. You know, I've been there. It's not fun because then you have to go wipe down your car again, and if the stuff lasts for a long time, well, then you're wiping it down every day, every time you drive it. It's just frustrating. This stuff doesn't do that. I'm going to show it here. Shake it up, put a little bit here on your rag, work it in, and wipe it on. Again, nothing new here, but this stuff works great. It lasts a long time too. You can run this through, what, 3-4 car washes before you need to reapply this stuff. So that's a great time saver. A little more. There we go, and that look great. It shines. You can use this stuff, you don't have to stop using it on your tires too. See all this black trim? Works great for that too. See up here, got a little bit of dried wax. Everyone's done this stuff. It's, you know, it's super frustrating. No one likes that stuff. It takes forever to get clean. Not with this stuff. Oh yeah, wipes it right off. Puts a nice shine on here, nothing crazy. It's a nice class sheen here. Looks better than new. Alright guys, we're going to show you this stuff here at work under the hood. Again, don't forget about details like cleaning up underneath the hood here. Stuff works great for that. And with the high temperature workability, even if your car's just still a little hot from getting to the show, it'll still work great. I'm going to show you the dressing here. Just put a little bit on here, work it in. Look at that. Shines right up. Nice shine on here. Again, it's nothing crazy with the shine there. You give some brands just a nice, clean semi-gloss shine. Look up here, got a little bit of wax in here from when we did the hood. Again, a little bit of this dressing here. Even with that crazy texture down here, this wipes right off. Again, don't forget about your interior. This stuff works great for that too. Spray a little bit on here, work it in. Clean up your door sills that always get scuffed up there, getting in and out. Has a nice shine to it. Hey, don't forget this up here. A little more. Get that looking nice shine, keeps it protected. UV, so makes stuff last a long time. There, just that easy. You can also use it on your leather, on your dash, on your trim, any plastic, this stuff you can use for anything you need to get clean, put a nice shine on.